Nagibala ko prepare. Nagising to prepare.
And many people for many generations will continue to know who Christ is because of Robert. Yes, Robert was hired by my grandfather, Billy Graham. He continued to stay on working with my father, Franklin Graham. I have to give him a lot of credit for training my brother Will how to speak at crusades. My very first speaking engagement that I ever had was here in India. I had no idea I was coming here and I had to speak. He told me I had to speak. I said, Robert, I've never spoken in front of anybody in my life. He pushed someone out of the seat in the airplane beside me, sat beside me, and helped me write my first sermon on an airplane ride. I'll never forget him. He was somebody special from that moment forward. But what stands out the most is not the greatness of the ministry that he supported. It was the faithfulness of a man who showed up every day to serve, to love, and to honor God in whatever role God gave him. I cannot speak personally about Robert, but even through Robert, I came very difficult, different generations that we share deep relationship. We've never made an age barrier a issue between us. He called me right after his last speaking engagement on Christmas Eve in the U.S. It was Christmas Day here. I happened to be sharing the day with my father, and I put Robert on the phone with my father, and I let them talk. Within 5 minutes, they had already made up another time for a meeting arrangement. They were going to Cambodia together. That's where I'm supposed to be now. I'll never forget his excitement and always about going somewhere new, something different. I especially will miss him always telling me, no, 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 no. With his hands crossed, a big smile on his face, laughing at something stupid we were getting ready to do, making something funny that he didn't think was very funny. But he did it with love. He did it with wisdom and being wise. He guided me when I needed to be guided. Robert understood something simple and powerful. That is the real measure of what life isn't found on the stage.